And as you guys can tell, right over there, it's all bent up. What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode from BackYardBoyz. If you guys are new to the channel, please lightly tap the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. In this episode, we're gonna come back and work on our beautiful Imola E39 M5. One part has came in and it's the main part. So the goal for this video is to get alignment done in this car, get all the suspension components straight. The tie rod came, it actually, like I said in the previous episode, it came with the drag link and this side tie rod as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that box up, see what actually came in. It came from a car with only 40,000 miles. I wanted an OEM part. And then I do have a fender for the car as well and some headlights. I have the original headlights for the car, so actually I can show you them right now. So someone sold me these headlights. Let's use the keys inside. No, the keys in my pocket. Watch this, guys. I got one in the trunk too, actually. Look at this. So this apparently is the original E39 M5 headlight. The clear lens, the OEM, everything. And a lot of you guys are commenting saying, oh, Tim, go with the facelift headlights, go with the facelift that. I'm gonna go with the facelift taillights, like 99% sure. But I actually really like the front end looking with the older body without the halos. It looks more like Mafia style. I'm gonna have yellow fog lights and I'm gonna have white rings over here. And I don't know, I like it. It looks like older and it looks more like, it looks more mean and aggressive. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and put the fender on as well. Fender has a couple of dings. I got the fender for 30 bucks, dude. Like, I'm not used to these kind of prices anymore. I'm used to paying super expensive for car parts. But we're gonna go ahead and throw the fender on, see what needs to be done right over here for all this work. It seems like I already pulled it out with my hand. It seems like everything is there. But yeah, all that stuff is gonna be thrown on and we're gonna take it to a alignment shop. We're gonna rip it, actually do a couple of pulls on it, see what it sounds like, because I'm way too pumped to get this thing ripping. I looked it up, it's like 0 to 60 4.8, pretty quick. Maybe I should tune it, I don't know, we'll see. But guys, let's go ahead and open this box right here. Open this box up right over here. You have a razor blade on you?
On the box.
Yeah. And put this car, basically what we're gonna do is load the car up on the frame machine just because it's gonna be much easier for us to work on it. We don't need no pulling or anything, but we got a hole under here, we can get under there and do what we need. But let's go ahead and open this puppy. Okay, there's one tie rod. Look at that. Wow, this actually looks like it's in really good condition. Look at that, nice and tight. Everything here. This actually goes to the steering column, I'm assuming, or something. We'll see once we're there. I don't know why that guy pulled out the bolts, but. So, see how big the unit is? Comes with the whole drag link, whole like centerpiece. Unless, watch this. So I didn't really take a click unless this goes to the steering. No, I think that does. But unless this unscrews right here, but there's still no point. I'm just gonna replace this whole entire thing. Doesn't look bent, doesn't look anything. Seems to be in excellent shape. For its year, obviously it's hard to get a part that's a 2000, or a car that's 20 years old, a good condition part. So I paid the money for it. Now let's go ahead and get this car on the frame machine and replace this puppy. All right, boys, well, we've gotten this one out, and as you guys can tell, right over there, it's all bent up. So it looks like this piece is actually replaceable, but it doesn't really matter. I got this for a pretty fair deal. And see how this one's all cracked up right here? This one's fresh, way lower miles. This one's all cracked up. This is the OEM one. And the outer tie rod is bent as well right here. So we got that. We got everything basically. What we're gonna do is go ahead and slide this one back into its position. It's kind of tough. We have to take off one of these, slide it all the way through, and bolt everything back in there. Super easy actually though. Like, it's tough to get it in there, but once it's in there, a couple bolts, everything is back on. So let's go, boys. All right, guys, well, we got that tie rod exchanged for the old one. Obviously changed out, everything looks straight. The wheel looks straight as an arrow. I'm pretty sure the donor car that the tie rod came off of, I'm sure it had good alignment. So maybe the alignment is straight, because we put the wheel straight and the wheels are straight here. We're still gonna drop it off with alignment, make sure everything is dialed in. I don't want it to be eating any rubber, any tire. What we're gonna do right now is go ahead and just test fit this fender up on here. We're just gonna throw it on here for now. And then I don't have this headlight bracket just yet, right here. But this one should work for temporary. I'm gonna slide the headlight in here just so we can drive it 1 mile down the road to Firestone. So let's go ahead and put this fender on, and then we actually gotta go to O'Reilly's, pick up some, and what's it called? Power steering fluid. Yeah, power steering fluid, because it's pretty low and you can hear some noise. But let's go ahead and toss this fender on, go to O'Reilly's and drop it off with alignment. Oh man, look at this beast. Woo. That was pretty easy. That took us like an hour to do. Everything's changed out. So yeah. Bought this fender for 30 bucks. God damn, but you ain't gonna find a good condition fender. OEM especially. Some of the stuff is a little bit, there you go. Except for I gotta take out this bolt right here, so. I'm gonna test just through that gap so I can at least close the hood, you know?
Yeah, look at that.
What in the world?
She's ready for the paint department.
Hey, so let's throw the headlight in here so we can drive it legally. I'm just gonna make it a little tighter here, the gap. I actually like this silver fender. I'm gonna leave it.
It goes well with the black.
It does, man, it does. Oh, look at this, by the way. Look, it's all repaired, look at that. See that? See, look, it's all I needed right there. A little bit back, that's it. Like that. That bracket needs to be twisted. And right there, look at that, boom, done deal. Oh my goodness, this car is totaled. We cannot repair it. I'm telling you, man. Okay, let's get that headlight in here.
Let's do it.
It is closed. Dude, this is so ridiculous. I don't even know why it totaled. But yeah, everything is on for temporary. Obviously, we're gonna go ahead and take this back off, install all the bulbs, all that stuff. This is just temporary. It's daylight outside, not a big deal. So let's go take it down to the alignment shop, boys. What do you say?
Let's do it. Let's get it done.
Get her done. Brand new whip, man. What you mean? What's up, boys? Let her warm up.
What's this?
Oh, dude, don't worry about this. Just because lightweight, less weight, weight reduction,
Racing package.
horsepower.
Track back.
Okay, let's go drop it off for Firestone.
Let's do it.
Yo, look at this alignment, boys. Oh, buddy. Perfect alignment. All right, well, go and drop her off like this. The alignment shop. Catch you guys when it's all aligned and see from there. You guys saw how bad the alignment was. It was pretty darn bad. So see if they can get it all dialed in for us. All right, boys, we've been impatiently waiting for the M5 to pass alignment, and I just got the ring from Firestone. The good news. What's the good news, boys?
It's ready.
It's ready to go. Let's go pick that puppy up, man. I want to see that steering wheel straight as an arrow, because we've been having some bad luck with this or not the M5, with the, what's it called, Firestone over there. I mean, a lot of their cars come back with like sideways alignment. We have to redo it, so hopefully, fingers crossed, they get it the first time. Well, boys, we got the Firestone sheet. It has my address on here, so I'm not going to show you guys, but apparently the alignment was pretty bad, obviously out of spec. I'll show you guys 1 second the actual sheet here. So if you know what to look at, you can see there's a lot of green on the before, or a lot of red on the before, and most of it is green on the after, which is very good. Our wheels were pointing to the left a lot. That way the steering wheel was like this in order for me to go straight. So now we got to go do a road test and see what's up. I gotta say, guys, this thing is extremely loud on the outside, but on the inside it's very quiet. I really like it, and the alignment checks out. I am super happy. This is amazing. This is literally amazing. Whew. I got this car a couple days ago and it's almost done already. Waiting for bumper and a couple more parts. Well, all right, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the episode over here. I actually thought that this episode was gonna be much longer. Why? Because I didn't truly believe that one single tie rod and drag link would have repaired the whole entire alignment. Why I say this is because the other control arms under there had some scuffing from the tire, which didn't look like damage, and it turns out it's not damage, but I was kind of itching and feeling that there might have been some kind of alignment issues, but there's no alignment issues. We've drove the car, everything is fine, alignment is straight. Although I did notice one thing, the power steering is going out, which is a notorious problem for this vehicle over here. So I'm probably going to do an overhaul on the whole entire power steering. And then honestly, guys, I'm trying to get in contact with the old owner to get possibly the old Dynavin unit, I think it's called. A lot of you guys commented that in my previous video, and I want that one back. If not, then I'm gonna have to buy something to put into this car. But boys, with that being said, thank you so much for all the love, all the support of this channel. Appreciate all you guys. And in this next episode on the car, we're gonna get this thing painted and assembled, because basically all the parts are already in. So guys, with that being said, you guys have a beautiful rest of your day.